Peace is found in the present moment. But living in the present moment isn't always easy. We live in a world that's constantly fighting for our attention. There are distractions everywhere, from our own thoughts to chaos in our environment. Sometimes it's challenging to be mindful and stay in the present. So how do we do it? Is it even possible? This is a step-by-step guide to help you come into the present moment, no matter what may be happening within you or outside of you. Begin wherever you are and simply bring your awareness to your breath. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax into your body. Inhale in again through the nose, and exhale, release any tension you might be holding. Take one more deep breath in, and exhale, allow yourself to arrive here in the moment. Now look around and take notice of your surroundings. What do you see? Are you indoors or outdoors? Is the space around you clear or cluttered? Don't judge, simply observe your environment. Look at all the shapes, patterns, and sizes of things around you. Notice the variety of colors there are. Scan your space and see if you can find something you haven't noticed before. It could be an object, a pattern, whatever it is, try to identify something new. Now look even more closely. Become aware of the little things. What do you see? Maybe it's an insect crawling around in the grass, or maybe it's small text on a label. Be curious and take notice of everything, both big and small. See everything as if you were seeing it for the first time. Take it all in as if you were trying to create a mental snapshot of this moment. Now close your eyes and bring your attention to the sounds. What do you hear? The loudest noises will most likely be the first to catch your attention, but see if you can hear beyond that. What noises do you hear in the background? Maybe it's someone talking in another room. Or maybe it's a car driving by. Try to identify as many sounds as you can. Now listen even more closely. Can you hear the distant sound of birds? Do you hear the hum of an appliance in another room? Try to listen for the faintest sound possible. What's the farthest sound you can hear? You can open your eyes or keep them closed if you'd like. But now bring your attention to your sense of touch. Is there any movement of air Maybe you feel a gentle breeze on your face. What about your clothes? How do they feel against your skin? Notice the texture. Is it soft? Does anything feel tight? Can you feel the weight of any jewelry or accessories you're wearing? Again, don't judge or try to change anything. Just observe. Now bring your attention to your feet. If you're barefoot, what does that feel like? Is the ground cool or warm? If you're wearing shoes, can you feel the warmth of your socks or the weight of your shoes on your feet? Reach out with your hands and feel the texture of things around you. What do they feel like? If you can, pick something up and notice its weight. Now shift your focus to your sense of smell. What different scents can you detect in your environment? Can you pick up on the scent of products you use? Your shampoo, perfume, or lotion? If you're outside, maybe you smell freshly cut grass or the scent of flowers nearby. Can you smell food that's currently cooking or that was recently cooked? If you have something to eat or drink, take a small bite or a sip. What flavors or ingredients can you identify? Now close your eyes just for a moment and bring your attention back to your breath. Tune into the rhythm. Pay attention to how it feels as you inhale and exhale. Where do you feel the breath in your body? It might be in your stomach, your chest, or your nostrils. Do you notice a change in temperature as it enters and leaves your body? Stay with your breath. Follow the air all the way in and all the way out. Enjoy the simple pleasure of breathing. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. How do you feel now compared to when you first started? Notice that by simply using your senses, you've entered the peace and calm of the present. This is mindfulness. This is the present moment. This video will be here for you anytime you need. Thank you for joining me. Take care, and I'll see you soon.